Why are there not more people talking about the ultimate luxury of a Dubai cruise adventure? Dubai, it's a city of superlatives where the impossible becomes possible. We think of its towering skyscrapers, the Burj Khalifa piercing the sky, and the Palm Jumeirah stretching into the sea. But have you ever dreamed of experiencing Dubai's magic from the sea? Imagine the city from a whole new perspective. Let's embark on a luxury cruise adventure, where every moment is designed to enchant you. Prepare to be captivated by the Arabian Gulf's shimmering waters, reflecting the beauty of the city. Get ready for breathtaking views of the iconic skyline, especially as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of gold and pink. Imagine waking up each morning in a lavish suite, surrounded by elegance and comfort. Step onto your private balcony, where the view of the Burj Al Arab takes your breath away. The salty air invigorates you, filling your lungs with freshness and a sense of adventure. The sun greets you with golden rays, promising another day of luxury and exploration. This is what cruising in Dubai is all about: indulgence, relaxation, and unforgettable experiences. A Dubai cruise is more than just a vacation. It's a journey into a world of unparalleled luxury and service. It's an immersion into a world of luxury, where every detail is crafted to perfection. This is an experience you won't soon forget. Are you ready? Let's dive in and make memories that will last a lifetime. Join us on this exclusive and luxurious journey. Book your Dubai cruise adventure today and become part of an extraordinary experience. You deserve nothing but the best. The Arabian Gulf provides a stunning backdrop for your journey, offering a serene and picturesque setting that is perfect for relaxation and adventure alike. Sparkling turquoise waters stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting you to dive in and explore the vibrant marine life beneath the surface. Prepare to be mesmerized by Dubai's dramatic skyline, where modern architecture meets the timeless beauty of the sea. As you sail along the coast, iconic landmarks come into view, each telling a story of innovation and luxury. Marvel at the sail-shaped silhouette of the Burj Al Arab, a symbol of opulence and architectural brilliance. The Palm Jumeirah, a man-made archipelago shaped like a palm tree, will leave you speechless with its grandeur and unique design. The Dubai Marina, with its impressive skyscrapers and luxurious yachts, is a testament to the city's modernity and ambition, showcasing a lifestyle of elegance and sophistication. At night, the cityscape transforms into a dazzling display of lights, creating a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. This creates a magical atmosphere that will captivate your senses, making every moment in Dubai an unforgettable experience. A Dubai cruise offers more than just onboard luxury. It's an experience that combines the opulence of a floating palace with the vibrant energy of one of the world's most dynamic cities. It's a gateway to unforgettable adventures, where every moment is filled with excitement and wonder. Step ashore and explore the heart of Dubai. Wander through the bustling Dubai Marina, where modern architecture meets the serene waters of the creek. Embark on a thrilling desert safari. Feel the adrenaline rush as you ride across the golden dunes. Ride across the dunes in a 4x4 vehicle, an adventure that promises both excitement and breathtaking views. Experience the thrill of dune bashing, where the desert becomes your playground. Witness a mesmerizing sunset over the vast desert landscape. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, creating a moment of pure magic. Indulge in some retail therapy at Dubai's luxurious malls. Discover a shopper's paradise where every desire is catered to. Find everything from high-end fashion to traditional souvenirs. Whether you're looking for the latest designer trends or unique keepsakes, Dubai has it all. Delve into the city's rich culture and heritage. Visit the Dubai Museum to uncover the stories of the past. Visit the historic Al Fahidi district with its traditional wind towers and art galleries. Stroll through its narrow lanes and discover the charm of old Dubai. Dubai is a city that seamlessly blends modern sophistication with Arabian charm. From towering skyscrapers to traditional souks, it's a place of contrasts. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its energy and allure. Every corner of Dubai tells a story, inviting you to be a part of its vibrant tapestry. Thank you for watching our Dubai cruise adventure. We hope you enjoyed the journey. Subscribe to our channel for more luxurious adventures.